Hello and welcome to my channel, IKEA Krakow and Poland Experience. Today we are in IKEA. You are encouraged to subscribe and join my channel. Hit the bell button to be notified whenever I'm uploading newer videos. Like every IKEA, we are after the Christmas season, so we still have some rabat.